might have to play with this one. It's alright. You want to cut back and head out there again?
Yeah, but you don't, I don't want you to jive.
Jive?
That's what I mean.
Talking.
As retainer.
No, I missed that. Darn.
Charlie, smile and show your teeth.
You gotta be kidding me. Guy just charged his batteries.
Not even tilted over or anything.
Look at that. There's no point.
Let's become about.
They're not in racing mode. They're just
Racing mode. That's not even a racing mode. That's
Yeah.
freaking fun with I want to put the jib up. I don't want to race.
Watch what you're doing.
Charlie, let's not put the jib up.
I can do the jib myself.
Watch what you're doing.
What do you mean, watch what I'm doing? There's not much to it. I'm holding a stick in my hand.
What a crock of stick.
He wanted to do that when he was 1.5.
That's right. Where'd Natalie disappear to? She's hiding. And over there.
Life is a pout. Yeah. Oh no, I was fine. What? See the arrows going? That means it's recording.
Ah. Oh, that's it. Toss your hair.
Jive.
Can you,
I'm not catching all my wind here. There it goes.
blue yonder? We lost Natalie. She was playing Titanic. Oh.
That's so cute.
Somebody's flashing a light out there. Yeah, that's just a reflection. Thinking that. I'm thinking I want to put the jib up.
She's got a beer and she's already got a drink.
I have one beer.
Yeah?
Oh. Well, I mean, except for when Cowboys are sitting there. It's not
We're overtaken.
Arlington Heights.
If you're sailing a very small boat with tight quarters,
It does that. I gotta buy new batteries for that thing. I just charged those things too. Especially, I think that.
Why don't you guys get up there on the thing?
That's where I'm going.
Some footage of the three of you falling all over each other.
Yeah, intelligent.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Dry on their feet here. That's just
I can't live.
that's one of
I don't watch it. Okay, go to set. Elite Diggler. Now.
We're way out.
We're all peaceful and happy. Right?
Hey.
Erase this guy.
Watch out. should get down here.
No, seriously.
Didn't get better. Oh, pretty boat coming up on us on this side.
For 3.5 hours.
Charlie?
Bit of a lead up.
Nah. I think he's pulling ahead.
Well, you should. I just want to.
You want to let him get ahead and then you want to beat him, is that
I
it?
can't beat him with.
Can we throw a jib up?
He's got 2 sails.
Let me put a jib up.
No.
No, we don't need a jib.
I don't want a jib.
Back here, sheet out of the middle.
Dad, he's gonna beat
Sheet out of
you.
the middle.
Dad, what are you doing? You're heading right for him.
He wants to be.
What are you doing there on the map here?
You know, want me to throw a jib up? You'll enjoy it. We got fun, more fun. Come on.
Oh, want to put up the jib?
I'll put it up.
I don't
you
want
don't have to
to.
do nothing. You just have to sit there.
It's not going to make any difference.
Let me put it up.
Oh.
We're not coming out here. We're putting an engine in my car.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, let's all live to put the engine.
Okay, put the.
Oh, jeez. You held out as we. It's gonna get kind of hot.
Right? Huh?
It's gonna get kind of wild. No, you gotta take it now. Dad wants me to put it away because.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.